Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your gender on your selfies by applying a female or male effect on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the gallery button down below and select a picture that you want to edit. After that, slide to the right side of the screen till you find the gender option. And here, as you can see, you have two male filters that you can choose from. One without bird, the other one with a bird. And you have the feminine option as well, which will make your picture look more feminine. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.